What's up YouTube? My name is Caden and you're watching Gas It Garage. Today we are going to be working on this golf cart right here. It's been having some engine problems. It's just been sputtering and not running quite right. So today I'm going to figure out what exactly is going on with it and try to fix it. All right, so this is the golf cart that's at my grandparents' church, and apparently they've been saying it's not running quite right, and apparently it's been sputtering and it's been a little bit down on power, and usually that means carburetor issues. So we're going to be taking the carburetor off and cleaning it out, and hopefully that will fix it. Also, I'm going to be checking the oil and just the other components on this engine in here, just to kind of see if there's any other issues with this thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this thing all the way out and take it for a quick drive around the field here to see what issues this thing is really having. So I'm going to close this up. Make sure I'm in reverse here. Put it in forward. All right, so I'm not really noticing any big issues with this thing, but that could be because it's not really under a whole lot of load, because they said it was starting to pop and backfire a little bit and stuttering when there was a lot of people on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean the carburetor anyway, because I'm here, and see if there's anything else that needs to be tuned up on this thing. So let's get started. All right, so I got this carburetor cleaned out right here. It wasn't really too dirty, but I gave it a good spray out and decent cleaning anyway. The air filter looks good. I did notice that the oil on this thing was very, very low, so I've got a little bit of oil right here. It's not enough to fill it all the way up, but I'm gonna add it anyway, just because this thing does need some oil. And then I also noticed that this spark plug wire right here, because this thing is a 2-cylinder, is not even connected to the coil right there. And it was on there when I was looking at these, but I just touched it and it came right off. So that makes me wonder if this cylinder right here is even getting spark half the time, because this thing is just barely on there and barely connected. So there's nothing really I can do about that right now. But I do have another ignition coil in here, so I'm gonna see if it has the ends on here, but if it doesn't, I just won't worry about it right now. I'll just tell the owner about this thing, and they'll probably have to replace this, because that is an issue that could cause this thing to sputter and not run right occasionally if that thing's just bouncing around and getting jiggled loose or whatever. So that is really the only problem that I see on this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and add the oil, and that's probably going to be it. All right, so that is really all I can do right now on this golf cart, because it's late and I am absolutely freezing cold out here. So that's really all I can do on this one right now. And to be honest, I really don't think there was a whole lot wrong with this thing to begin with, but it's always good to give this thing at least a good tune-up. And really the only two problems I found were it was very low on oil, and also the spark plug wire had broken off. So I will let the owner know about that. But for today, that's really all I can do right now. And I know this video is a little bit shorter than usual, but that's just because I've been super busy this week and I haven't really been able to do as much filming as I would like to. So that's gonna have to be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time.